This week's featured item in the Fireworks Plus warehouse is Kingslayer artillery shells from Dominator Fireworks. This 24 shell kit includes 4-inch canister shells, each with a different effect as pictured on the box. And while these 4-inch canister shells in the package may look like certain other 4-inch canister shells, in the air they also look like certain other 4-inch canister shells. Turns out these were developed by Dominator and produced in their own factory to compete with certain other 4-inch canister shells. So to find out what these do, let's take a look from a unique perspective courtesy of our friend at Den Fireworks. Thanks again to Den Fireworks for that cool overhead drone shot, and remember, you can buy Kingslayer artillery at fireworksplus.com.